Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bianca. I post every Thursday and Sunday, mainly fitness videos, and every Thursday I do makeup videos. Today I decided to do a brow tutorial just because I feel like I'm pretty well known for my brows, even though I naturally have pretty much non-existent brows. They are very thin, very pale, and I basically cannot leave the house without having them on. I think it frames my face perfectly. So anyway, enough with the rambling and let's get started with the video. But before we get started, please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and comment down below what else you would want to see in terms of makeup tutorials. I really do enjoy doing these types of videos, so let me know down below what you would like to see. So first we're going to go in with the Precisely My Brow in the shade 3.5 right here. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna start outlining the top here. Now what we're gonna do is go on the bottom. I have a computer right here, so I'm going to use that one. And we're going to draw the arch right here. I like my brows to be quite square looking, so I feel like that just like matches my face perfectly. So I just like to, and I have them quite arched too, but I feel like you just kind of know what matches best with your face. If you like more of a straight brow, or if you like more of a thin, really arched brow, if you like more of a really square brow, that's really up to you, but this is what I do. And then once this is outlined right here, we have a very kind of not really defined outline. I just like to use the pencil and start using kind of hair-like strokes in the middle. You can always go back, fill in the blanks of the hairs if you want. And then you're just gonna do that for the other brow. So this is what they should end up looking like. And then just to set the brow gel, we're gonna use the Gimme Brow Plus by Benefit. This is not sponsored, by the way. I just really like their products, especially for brows. I think they're almost better than Anastasia in my opinion. And the shade also in 3.5. Then what we're gonna do is just brush through the hairs. And if you go a little overboard on the gel, which I do all the time, you can just use a little spoolie on the back of the brush and brush that out to blend it. Voila, let me just do the other eye really quick and I'll be right back. So there you go, you guys. This is what the brows should look like. It's really simple. I think it really frames your face basically, and I think that it looks really good. Obviously, you could do a whole bunch of different techniques. You could do just like very feathery brows, or you could do very kind of blocky brows if you want. I hope you guys liked it. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next video.